All right, at the job, we're already pre-spraying the back half of the place. Ed was going around detailing the edges. We're gonna be scrubbing with the black brushes on the Namco. As you can tell, this is dirty. Hasn't been cleaned in over 10 years. This is a pet hospital. So very black, and they're gonna love the results here because this stuff's gonna come out looking great. We can go around with the razor blade and knock this paint stuff off. But yeah, it's gonna look great. Stay tuned. This stuff is filthy. New addition, some bowling covers. I think they're gonna help protect my shoes, help with grip too. Dynamic tool, mostly gonna be using the big one, but around back of the refrigerator and stuff like that, some tight areas, we're gonna have to use Mighty Mouse here, SX7. If you ain't got one of these in your tile cleaner, highly recommend it. And of course the spinner. So I'm gonna whip right through here with the spinner, so we're just doing some intense agitation. That way it just goes smooth. The better your prep when it comes to tile cleaning, easier everything is. See that dark areas? That's actually color seal that was applied to it in the past. So as you can tell, some of it came up, some of it didn't, and everything blended in, so we couldn't tell. So that's what happens when you use cheap color seal. Turbo seal is highly recommended, I guess, and I've used it before. And this definitely isn't. Alright, so we've done this whole back area, rooms, all that, and now we're going to be doing that area over there, and it's coming out great. So other than the color seal that's failed in this throughout the years and just totally broke apart everywhere else except for the kitchen area, and it's going to dry up looking great. Look how light it is already. Now this video is showing some like a grayish tone to it. Definitely looks a lot better in person, trust me. I gotta figure out the settings on these iPhones because that's one thing I don't like. It's not true. It's not a true color. I don't know if there's a filter on there or what. But so we're drying all this stuff. We're gonna dry as we clean. And as you can tell, we got Brenda her pink ones. But she's a girly, so she works hard for a girly. Oh, okay. Yeah, so I gotta get in here and mix this stuff up. So I'm just waiting on them to go ahead and finish it up doing this, and then I'm gonna follow them. Stay tuned. All right, guys, that's it for this one. See you in the next one.